Hello and welcome to my channel. What I've got for you today is a Street Fighter quiz game that you can play with your students. I'm going to show you just how to play the game and also how you can edit the questions and the answers to fit with your own lesson content. Right, let's just hit the play game button in the bottom left and we'll get right into it. Here we are at the title screen. Just hit the press start button to go to the main menu. Okay, here we are at the main menu. As you can see over on the right side, we have a whole selection of Street Fighter characters. Your students need to defeat each of these characters to earn points for their team. There's a few different ways you could play this. You could have your students start at the beginning and work their way through each character one by one. Or you could have them select randomly. It's entirely up to you. Over on the left side we have a spinning coin. This is where we go to add points to our team, and I'll show you how to do that now. Here we are at the points screen, the scoreboards, and as you can see we can play with up to 6 different teams or 6 individuals, and we can collect points up to triple digits, as you can see here. Down at the bottom there are a few different coins. There are silver coins to collect and also gold coins. The large silver coins are worth 25 points and the large gold coins are worth 50 points. Let's go back to the main menu and I'll show you how we play the game. Here we are back at the main menu. What we'll do is we'll go through a few different characters and I'll show you just how the questions and the answers work. Let's just click on this one first. Okay, to activate the fight, just click your mouse or hit the spacebar. As you can see, a question box comes down at the top. I've gone for a math word problem, but you could have any kind of question that works for you. Click again to bring up the possible answers. Okay, what we'll do is we'll click on the correct answer and see what happens. The green correct answer box appears at the bottom. If we click again, we'll actually defeat this character and move on to claim our reward.
You win!
Okay, as you can see we win 3 small gold coins, which are worth 3 points. Let's hit the Street Fighter logo in the top right corner to go back to the main menu. There we go. As you can see, that character has now been KO'd and we do not have to defeat them again. Okay, this time let's try Blanca and I'll show you how you can earn some special rewards with this character.
I'm stronger than you! You never survive in the jungle! Now you know the power of the wild!
As you can see, the question box comes down at the top and we have 4 possible answers. Let's just choose the correct answer again and I'll show you what happens.
You win!
Okay, as you can see, 2 chests appear and students can choose one of the chests to claim their reward. Now, each time you play the game, these chests will have a different reward as they have a random macro set to them. Let's just go with the left one for now and see what we win.
You win!
Okay, as you can see, this time we actually win a large silver coin, which is worth 25 points. Let's click on the Street Fighter logo to go back to the main menu and add our points. There we go. Let's just go and add those 25 points. There we go. We'll just go through a couple more characters and then I'll show you how to edit the game. Let's try Chun-Li.
Yo!
Okay, well, choose the correct answer again.
You win!
And this time we also receive the 2 chests, so we'll choose the right one this time and see what we win.
You win!
Only 2 points this time, sadly. Let's go back to the main menu. Okay, let's choose a couple more characters. Let's just have a look at this one. Okay, what I'm going to do now is we'll go back to edit mode and I'll show you how you can edit the questions and the answers to fit with your own lesson content. Here we are in edit mode. As you can see at the top we have the question box. To change the question, just simply click on the box and delete to whatever your question is. I'll just stick with math questions for now, but as I said before, you could have English questions, math questions, science questions, anything that works for you. I'll go with something simple, 10 times 10 equals. Now that I've done that, I also need to edit the 4 possible answers. Now it's important that we always keep the correct answer in the same box. That's because that box has a link taking it to the correct answer slide. So let's just find the box that was the previous correct answer, this one. And now we're typing our new correct answer, which is 100. For the other boxes, we can just simply type any number we like. There we go. And don't forget, we also need to edit the green answer box at the bottom. Click on the box and change to your new correct answer. There we go, and that's all you really need to do to edit the questions and the answers. If you wanted to, you could also shuffle around these answer boxes. Click and drag and move them anywhere on the screen that you like. I recommend doing this after each time you play the game, just to mix things up for your students. Okay, that's all there really is to this game. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope your students have fun. Don't forget you can download this game for free from the description box below. And if you're interested in staying up to date with other games that I'll be making, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.